Today I'd like to show you about my Sena Panani ST1000 serial adapter for Bluetooth. I use this with my DR650 EFI kit from Ecotrons. I got this device for about $50, I think, maybe a little bit more. You can get a battery for it. It's got a battery attached to it that you can charge, and it'll last for a couple hours. It does accept voltage on pin 9, I believe it is, and so you can have it run continuously with 5 volts on pin 9 through a DB9. My Ecotron system, I've put a 5 volt voltage, a VCC voltage on the pin 9 from the harness, and so it stays powered on all the time the bike's running or charging. It'll also charge this. Okay, so that's the on-off switch right there. Gives you some dip switches down here for setting the baud rate. I leave it at software configurable. It's the maximum speed and it works great. It gives you some little LEDs over here for when it's you know, the operation is actually in. This here is a jack for plugging in for power, for external power, 5 volt. You can attach it to a USB. As I say, that's the battery. Okay, let's go back to pairing it up now. Okay, to continue on, I want to show you that it does have a charging adapter. Can you see that? I'm sorry for the lighting conditions. This charging adapter I got plugged into the USB port for charging for 5 volt. But we will leave it out right now. Turn the Sena on. As you can see, it's flashing. Looks like about twice every second. Better put it in pairing mode now. I want to press and hold down the pairing button for 3 to 5 seconds until it starts flashing continuously. Actually, it looks like more like 3 times per second. It's in pairing mode now. Once the Sena is in pairing, you can go down here, down to the tray. You'll see a Bluetooth icon usually. I go to explore my Bluetooth places. There's a couple ways to do this, but for Windows XP there's an add Bluetooth device. I just click on that. It's going to do a search. And we are in pairing mode like I said, and it already sees it there. So I'll just click on that, hit next. Select the service you want to use. Generic serial is fine by me. And I had paired this before, so it didn't ask me for a code. But if it does, just put in 1234 for a code. And we're done. We're finished. Alright. And there it is. It says it's connected. Let's see if I can zoom in on that. Okay. That's it. Into ProCal. Okay, I'm loading up my current. This is my last calibration file. I have it set to COM port, and it's on COM 4, and the baud rate is maxed at 115.2. I'm going to mount my Sena Panani Bluetooth serial adapter to my DR650. I've got the DB9 cable coming from the ECU coming right to here. I actually had to change the pinouts for this. This came with a female DB9 connector. I had to change to a male. I also, as I said, put pin 9 as having voltage. I think it's pin 9. It's listed in the book of the Sena, what you need to do for that. But anyway, here we go. I'm going to plug it in. It's still on, by the way. I haven't turned it off. So it's still synced to the computer. So I'm not going to bolt it up. I'll just plug it in. Okay, the next thing to do, let me go back, show you my computer again. I'm going to turn the key on from a DR, get power to the ECU. Hit OK. And then we're going to go into settings, or run, and hit connect. It says data is the latest. And actually, here we are. We're actually looking at data right now. I'll show you the TPS signal over there. You'll see it move. There you go. So yes, I am actually collecting data on through the Bluetooth serial to my computer.